Hey everybody, this is a review I wanted to make because I noticed on YouTube I couldn't find any reviews, like in-depth reviews on the Pelican Vault 730. Number on the 800, the large double rifle case, but I really wanted to do one on the 730, sorry. I've never done a review before, so this is the first, so be gentle. Not only did I want to do a review on the Pelican Vault 730, I wanted to do a review on the fitment of a bow, specifically into the Vault 730. I couldn't really find anything on that either. I took the plunge and bought this off of Amazon for $166. I think after shipping or taxes, I think it was $180 total. And so the interior of this one specifically was 44 inches by 16.25 by like 6.25 in depth. And so after measuring my 35-inch Elite Ritual 35, I came to the conclusion it should fit. I still had some concerns, so let's go over it. So this is the Vault 730 by Pelican. I can say I work for the DoD, and we use Pelican for most of our tools for aircraft maintenance. This Vault series, as strong as it is not as strong, I would say, as the heavier duty versions that you use for the military or for tools and that such. But that's perfectly okay, because honestly, you don't need something as heavy and bulky as those. And this thing actually is quite a bit lighter. My favorite aspect about this, honestly, are the latches. So they're locked in. And they're really easy to close as well. There's no issues. They have these stainless steel grommets in here so you can lock it, which makes it really nice. The outside has a nice handle. Come over here, and there's your wheels. So that's the exterior. It's pretty damn sturdy. All right, well, let's get into the inside now. There's 1, 2, 3, 6. All right, as I said, I have a bow, and so this is the setup I went with right here. So you see how much room I have with the 730. So my bow's a 35-inch bow. Now from tip to tip is 39 inches. Axle to axle, 35. A 35-inch bow is the larger side of the bow, so take that into account. If you have a smaller bow, it'll easily fit everything. So what I ended up doing, I ended up just cutting out all this for the bow. I kind of went, it's got 3 layers of padding here. So 2 large layers, then 1 smaller layer. Certain areas to get it to sit nicely, I cut in a little deeper, like for the scope. I went down 2 layers, and I went down 2 layers right here where the arms are, just so it would sit nicely in there. And then I had enough room for, well, I got two of my mechanical releases here. Obviously my limb saver here. I got the wax here, and then just my tool. And I got creative up here. I wanted a way to mount arrows, and so this came with Velcro on the back. So I simply just put some 3M Velcro there, kind of push the arrows in a little bit so they won't come out. They hold nicely. No issues at all. This is for my broadheads. And here I haven't purchased any broadheads and put them in there yet. But yeah, so that is a quick review of the Vault Pelican 730, specifically used for a bow. You should be able to fit two rifles in here as well, side by side, I would imagine. But yeah, get creative. This is what I did. Thanks for watching.